Hi, I'm Jasmine, and I was sent this super cool pouring shield for my KitchenAid mixer. I'm super excited about this because it's Christmas next week, so we're doing all sorts of Christmas baking, and this makes it so much less messy to bake with my kiddos. This is my KitchenAid. It just goes on here. You can see the attachment is on there. It goes right around that. What's great about this is when you're making recipes that have an ingredient that you add in slowly while you're mixing, your KitchenAid mixer can be on, the shield can be on. You can pour it right down this little spout here. It goes straight in there and minimizes the mess. This is the bowl that came with my KitchenAid and it fits on there perfectly. I can even rotate it. I have two kiddos, so one of them can pour in an ingredient over here and then I can spin it around and the other one can pour in one over here. This is such a great idea. It's so handy, makes cleanup super easy, and this is even dishwasher safe. So when you're done with it, you don't have to worry about cleanup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.